On the at 5 tonight, the Natural State set to get a new nature center in our neck of the woods. This thing looks really neat. KNWA's Lauren Craycall joins us live in studio. And Lauren, what can you tell us about this 61-acre development in Springdale?
Well, Chad, according to Mark Hutchings with the Arkansas Game and Fish Commission, the J.B. and John Ella Hunt Family Ozark Highlands Nature Center is a site that will be dedicated to connecting Arkansans to what the state has to offer. When finished, the 32,000 square foot facility will have things like an aquarium, trails connected to the Razorback Greenway, and an indoor shooting range. Hutchins says he feels this center will be a great asset to Northwest Arkansas, especially for younger and future generations.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of high-tech type exhibits indoors, but they will also be tied to what's going on outdoors, and we hope that encourages students and children that would come here and take advantage of the education center to spend some more time outdoors as well.
Hutchings, the property was donated to Arkansas Game and Fish by the city of Springdale. The estimated cost to finish the project is $16.9 million. According to Hutchins, the J.B. and John Ella Hunt Family Ozark Highlands Nature Center plans to open October 2020. In studio, Lauren Craycall, KNWA Northwest Arkansas News.